And here we have the great fisherman Dan catching a beautiful chum.
Here we have the great cameraman Ben.
Yeah, this thing's fighting. Boy, I tell you, oh, my arms are wearing out.
Well, he's damn near a downstreamer. What do you want? Well, that's a nice fish, though. Okay, bring him in. Come on, Dan, move it over. There he is. Yay! Hey, let out some line, Dan. Let out some line. Let him get it in. All right.
Be careful, it's wild. Oh yeah. You want a picture with him, Dan?
Yeah, get on down there. Here, I'll hold your pole.
Hold on. Well, did he swallow that sucker?
Yeah, it is.
Gone, huh?
Maybe some pliers on him?
No, not here.
Pliers. Can you run to my bag? Where is it? There, it's on the rock back over there.
If you can, just cut it.
Well,
He's not going to live long anyway. Oh, there you go.
it's stuck in the net, though.
Oh, that's usually what it is.
I got no water gear on. You're gonna have to bring it up. Sorry.
Here, I'll catch one now. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Just hand it to him so he can take a picture and we'll all be good. Thank you. You're all right, Hayden. Good to have you around, man.
Yeah, thanks, Hayden. Is it slimy?
Yeah, he's pretty slimy.
There's your doggy. There you go. Ah!
I got this fish.
There he goes. All right.
I'd like to thank my guide, Ben.
Yeah, that's not good enough. A little better, a little better.
We have one more to catch. He's over there. Yep, that's Slimer.
Well, you can walk around the other end and get unslimed.
No, I'm not me.
There you go.
No, I'm saying over there on the other
fish
side.
slime's always good on you.
All right. Good job. Thanks, Hayden.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, Hayden.
He's chilling in
let me shake your
Donkey
hand, both
Creek now.
He just sent the dog and donkey.
A dog. There you go. A dog and donkey. Well, that was a good piece of footage right there. Okay.
Well, they did put up a hell of a fight, let me tell you. I've had a lot of different things the last.
Okay, go ahead and tell us about it. I know it was tragic. It was a fight
my
for
God,
death.
it leaped about.
Twen-
It looked like it was going to leap. I'm telling you.
It looked like it was going to.
It just couldn't muster the leap. But hey,
You want to go wash up first?
nah, what's a little slime?
Okay. All right. Good job.
That's cool to see him sit right there.